In this video, we're gonna check out what we can find inside the box of POCO M8 Pro 5G. So let's get right into it. Let's open the box. There we go. I'm gonna show you all accessories that we get, and of course, how the phone looks like. So we have this paper box, pretty standard. There's also our phone, and I'm gonna take a look at it later. We can clearly see through how it looks like, but we're gonna move on to that soon. First of all, let's see all of these accessories. So in this case, we can open it from the back easily. We can see that we have the eject tool that is used to eject SIM tray from the phone. And if we open it, there we go, we have our accessories in here. We can find the USB cable. It is USB-A to USB-C, typical for POCO and Xiaomi and Redmi smartphones. Now this is the European version, so we have this piece of paper over here with the IP rating, for example. There we go. We have a bunch of papers in here, like the start guide and warranty card, and also the safety information. And we have the silicone protective case. And that is pretty much everything that we have inside. So as you can see, in this case, there is no charger. But like I said, this is the European version, so this is why the charger is not included. But also, I'm going to show you the phone, of course. So let's take a look at the phone. Let's see how it looks like. Let me remove it from this cover over here, and there we go. So this is how the phone looks like. I have chosen this silver color. It is, I believe, just like a plastic, although this side over here has a slightly different feeling. I still think it's a plastic, maybe a slightly different one. We have, of course, our front screen, which is actually slightly curved. You can see over here that we have a little bit of curves, just like in the POCO M8. There we go. At the top, we have the microphone and speaker. And at the bottom, we can find the speaker as well, microphone, the USB-C port, and of course, the SIM tray. There is nothing on the left side of the phone. And on the right side, we just have the power button and volume buttons. So that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.